We have Aniceto and Reed. We're going to help him with the lines. Say hello. He's our captain, Captain Boyce, having his coffee.
It's a bit early.
Yeah, we were all up very early this morning. Ernest, he's our pilot.
Hello. Handsome pilot.
Handsome pilot. And Dave's down below, he's making the pilots some breakfast. Let's just see Dave. There he is. Hello, Dave.
Hello. We're crossing the canal.
Crossing the canal.
For the first time.
Yeah.
So what do we think of that? Well,
It's a momentous occasion.
It is. Have a drink, sir.
Yeah. Cheers. So now we're rafted up with this other boat. You can see there we've got fenders all the way along, and we're rafted at the front, at the stern, and midships as well. So we've got some springs. Our captain is looking a little bit happier now. We've got to this stage. Okay, we're moving on now. We're all rafted up, and we now seem to have our clearance to enter the lock. You see there we've got the big vehicle carrier that I was talking about earlier. That seems to now have gone into the lock. It's taken an awfully long time to get in there, and we're not quite sure what happened there, but anyway, so he's about ready. It's about 8:30 in the morning. We've been up for probably about 3 hours now, so we're pretty tired, but all seems to be going well. Okay, so now we're going in behind this Phoenix Diamond, which is a car carrier. And we're actually going to be rafted up against this tug. Are actually 1,000 feet long. You can see there's the 950 mark, and over there you can see the 1,000 mark. So our tug that we're moored up against is called the Trinidad, and we've got the mooring lines being tied off now. Now you can see the lock gates are closing behind us. This is goodbye to the Caribbean.
3 years out, the Caribbean, so we're ready for that.
And this is our first of 3 locks up to the Gatan Lake.